Hello and welcome to this analytical video report. Let us begin with a context that has gripped all those citizens of our country who are above 18 years. Yes, India is set to vote for the 18th Lok Sabha election in 2024. In fact, every thriving democracy takes pride in their right to choose or the right to vote for the most deserving candidate to represent the country's government. Indeed, election is the most important feature of a successful democracy. In India, election is celebrated as a festival. In India, the elections are held at two levels, one at the center and the other at the state level. However, both these elections are not held together, which leads to lot of spendings and wastage of money also. One solution to overcome this issue can be One Nation One Poll or ONOP. So, this report is on One Nation One Poll, whether it could be the way forward or would One Nation One Poll help in the development of our nation or not.
ONOP. ONOP has garnered significant attention with media discussing it, politician and administration contemplating it. However, it is also important to know what the average voter like us and also the youngest population in the world. The Indian youth think about ONOP. That's why we decide to address this much debate context and investigate about what ONOP means to the present day youngster who would be the India's tomorrow. But our mission doesn't end here. We also wish to present a math behind ONOP and see if it saves the taxpayers' money. So, begins with a primary survey that was undertaken in Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. The modus operandi was to make and collect opinions of respondents from heterogeneous group.
To know more people beyond the topic One Nation One Poll, we asked them some question about One Nation One Poll, and our first question about if they know about One Nation One Poll and if they will welcome One Nation One Poll as they were for conducting election in India at a place of present method of election. Thank you.
On response to the question number first, asked to the people, about 81.6% people replied in affirmative that they know about One Nation One Poll and they will surely welcome One Nation One Poll as place of present method. Will 11.6% people think that present election process is good, will 6.6 neutral.
The central idea before presenting any bill is that it will help in the development of country or not. So our second question was also based on this, as we asked people if replacing the present system of election with One Nation One Poll, will it help in the development of country or it will save the taxpayers money and time.
In response to the question second, 91.6% people feel that One Nation One Poll will save taxpayer money and time, while 3% people think that it will not have significant effect in saving taxpayer money and time. About 5% of the respondents have no opinion whatsoever. Thank you.
We know that many people fears after the implementation of One Nation One Poll, the voters may cast their votes on the basis of national issues even for state elections. The belief is that this would only benefit for bigger parties. So our third question is based on it. If the implementation of One Nation One Poll would lead to neglect regional issues and regional issues by voters. Thank you.
So first of all, answer of this question, 75% of the respondents in the context state that One Nation One Poll would benefit the national parties or bigger parties over smaller parties, while 8.3% people that it will not provide any benefit the bigger parties, and 16.6 people preferred to remain neutral. Thank you.
As we know, key finding is one of the most important part of any report. As we going through it, one can draw recommendation about report. For this report, the key finding is that most people support One Nation One Poll over present election process, but they also fear that it will lead to extension of regional issues. They are also concerned about logistic problems and the long process involved in the implementation of One Nation One Poll.
Most of the senior students don't know what is the actual meaning of one nation, one poll. So government should ensure that the people should know about the one nation, one poll, and problem related to logistics should also be overcome. And about how does an articles need to change for the implementation of ONOP, which is only passed by.
Local issues should not be overshadowed by national parties during simultaneous elections. Proper supplies of EVM machines should be provided at each booth. That is our report for One Nation, One Poll. Let's vote with pride.